Danyang Jiamei Seating Company Limited, established in 2013, which located in Danyang City, has convenient transportation close to Shanghai Port and Ningbo Port. Danyang Jiamei Seating is a professional seats factory for about 9 years. Main products include agricultural seats, construction seats, go-kart seats, and garden seats. The factory covers 6,000 square meters, has more than 100 employees, and has large molding machines, laser cutting machines, shearing machines, full automatic coating line, foaming line, sewing line, seat parts assembly line, and other advanced equipment. We have the capacity of producing 250,000 pieces of seats 1 year, and our products have passed ISO 9001 3C certificate. Danyang Jiamei Seating has professional management system, design, and manufacturing team. We provide customers with great quality products, competitive price, short delivery time, and caring service. We are the supplier of many famous machinery companies and vehicle companies in China. Also, we export to all over the world, such as Europe, America, Canada, South Korea, Australia, Malaysia, and been widely praised by our customers. Our company's solemnly commitment: adhere to the quality, price, service, reputation for the 4 basic points. We are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. We are also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Please feel free to contact us at any time.